Turkish ice cream, also known as Maraş dondurması or Dövme dondurma in Turkish, is a type of ice cream that is popular in Turkey and internationally. Its unique features are its rich mastic flavor and its distinct texture, which is less prone to melting quickly compared to other ice creams. The main ingredients of Turkish ice cream typically include sheep's milk, sugar, mastic gum, and salep. Salep is a powdered form of wild orchid tubers, and it is used as a natural thickener in the ice cream. This gives Turkish ice cream its characteristic stretchy and chewy texture, making it less likely to break when pulled or stretched. One of the reasons Turkish ice cream is famous is the entertaining interaction between the ice cream vendors and customers during the preparation and serving of the ice cream. The vendors often perform playful tricks and pranks with the ice cream, pretending to offer it to the customers but pulling it back, creating a humorous and engaging experience. If the trick fails, they usually compensate by adding more ice cream to ease the tension. Turkish ice cream, or Maraş dondurması, is well known for two main reasons: its strong mastic flavor and its exceptional chewiness. The addition of mastic gum, derived from orchids, makes the ice cream highly viscous and elastic, giving it a unique chewiness. Another aspect that makes Turkish ice cream famous is the special performance by the vendors. Turkish ice cream vendors often use long-handled paddles and various techniques to flip and toss the ice cream in the air, performing tricks like spinning the ice cream on the paddle or pouring it from a funnel. This entertaining performance has become a symbol of Turkish ice cream and adds to its appeal. Turkish ice cream is not only popular within Turkey but also widely enjoyed in Turkish ice cream shops and restaurants around the world. Its distinctive taste and presentation attract tourists and ice cream enthusiasts alike. Whether savoring the rich mastic flavor or watching the vendors' skillful tricks, Turkish ice cream offers a unique and memorable experience. The reason why Turkish ice cream is so stretchy and chewy lies in its primary ingredients, which include sheep's milk or cow's milk, and the use of salep. Salep is obtained from wild orchids grown in Turkey, and ice cream made with salep is known as karamanmaras or Maraş ice cream. However, due to over-harvesting, the availability of salep has decreased, leading to restrictions on its export from Turkey. Salep contains approximately 11 to 44% polysaccharides, mainly glucomannan, which is a hydrocolloid. Each gram of salep can absorb about 2 grams of water. In ice cream, the hydrocolloid functions to achieve a homogeneous mixture, slow down the melting process, and inhibit the formation of ice crystals, resulting in a better texture. In addition to these functionalities, the hydrocolloid in Turkish ice cream provides the sticky texture and elastic chewiness that it is famous for. Mantı is a popular Turkish dish known as Turkish dumplings. Many countries have their own versions of dumplings, such as ravioli in Italy or pierogi in Poland. In Turkey, these dumplings are called mantı and they are typically filled with ground beef and wrapped in small dumpling skins. They are then topped with melted spiced butter, plain yogurt, and can be garnished with dried mint or Aleppo pepper. The process of making mantı requires patience and skill, as the dumpling skins need to be carefully rolled into small circles and filled with a small amount of filling. These dumplings are usually very small and can be eaten in one bite. In addition, Turkish mantı is often served with other seasonings and sauces to enhance the flavor. One common practice is to sprinkle dried mint on top, which adds a fresh aroma and subtle mint flavor to the dish. Another popular way to serve mantı is by drizzling plain yogurt on top, which adds a tangy and refreshing taste. The acidity and creaminess of the yogurt balance the rich texture of the beef filling, making the entire dish more flavorful. If you enjoy spicy flavors, you can also add some Aleppo pepper, which is a commonly used chili pepper in Turkey. Aleppo pepper has a mild heat and slight sweetness, adding a bit of spiciness and flavor complexity to manti. Manti is a highly popular dish in Turkey, often served as a main course or during festive occasions. Its unique taste and various seasoning options make it an important representation of Turkish cuisine and a must-try for visitors. Köfte, on the other hand, is another popular Turkish dish widely enjoyed in many Middle Eastern and European countries. Köfte refers to meatballs made by shaping ground meat into balls or elongated shapes, with a long history and various variations. Turkish köfte is typically made with beef or lamb and combined with various spices and seasonings such as onions, garlic, pepper, and thyme to enhance the flavor. These meatballs can be grilled or cooked on a skewer, resulting in a golden brown surface with a smoky aroma. What sets grilled köfte apart is the combination of the meat's natural flavor and the blend of spices, resulting in a rich and juicy texture. When you take a bite, you'll experience the tenderness and juiciness of the meat, as well as the layers of flavors from the spices. In addition, Turkish köfte is often served with yogurt sauce. This sauce is made from pure yogurt, with a thick and creamy texture and a rich and tangy taste. It complements the aroma and texture of the grilled köfte, making the entire dish more flavorful and balanced. Apart from yogurt sauce, köfte is sometimes served with grilled peppers or other vegetables, which add a fresh and crisp element to the meatballs. As one of the representatives of Turkish cuisine, köfte is not only popular in Turkey but also widely available in Turkish restaurants worldwide. Its simplicity, deliciousness, and versatility make it a favorite dish for many. Whether served as a main course, snack, or part of a kebab, köfte offers a unique culinary experience.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.